Hey guys, so I'm back with another cloth and paper unboxing video, and a few days ago I did unbox the June stationery subscription box, so I'll go ahead and link that for you up here in the cards and down in the description box below if you want to go ahead and check that one out. But this order is actually what I had placed on June 19th, which they were having a sale. I believe it was 15% off for Juneteenth, and so I kind of went crazy and I had no self-control. So let's go ahead and unbox the first box here, and let's take a look. So we have these, and I actually want to take all of this out of here. That way I can get rid of the box, and that way it's not in the way. All right, so I see some pink in here, so I'm pretty sure that I know what is in here because I had honestly forgotten. I have gotten so many orders that I don't even know what I ordered. So let's look in here. These are some of the freebies, and I love that they have freebies. Like, that's so generous. So let's look at these page flags. Like, these are beautiful. Look at that. So let's go ahead and take one out of here so I can show you what it looks like. So here's the color. What a beautiful color. I love that. That's so pretty. And then this note to self: I wouldn't trade you for anyone else in the world. Heavy is the head that wears the crown. Love it. And then we have some other page flags, and this one is in the color stone. So again, let's go ahead and place it here. How gorgeous is that gray? I love that. I cannot wait to use this one. And then I believe these are some of the sleeves, and I think I did see that you can fit those page flags in here maybe. Yep, so perfect size. I don't know if that's what it's meant for, but they do fit in here. So I love that. Okay, I cannot wait to use that one, and that's my receipt. And then this thank you for your purchase. I love this right here. So now let's go ahead and take a look at what's in here. I love the way that they package their items. Super cute. All right, so let's get rid of this as well. So we do have some of these drops. Like, how pretty is this color? I am obsessed with how neutral everything is. And with this one, you do get two sheets of stickers. So that's perfect. That's a beautiful brownish color. And then I did get it in a fog. And again, it's like a gray color. So I think that's really, really pretty. Right there, I wonder if it kind of looks like this one. Okay, so this one looks more of a bluish color, bluish gray, and this one is more of a gray. So there's a little comparison. And then this one is ash. So I believe these ones are just clear. So you can barely see them, but they're so pretty. Look at that. I love that. So now, okay, so I love these right here. Like, how pretty is this color? I am all about my pink. And when I went into the website, I was actually looking forward because they were restocking these in their shop. So this clear one was available, so of course I had to get this one, but this pink blush one was also calling my name. It is so pretty, but I don't think obviously that these ones are see-through at all, so that's why I got the clear one, because I want to be able to see through my pages. So you could kind of see just a little bit. Not too much, but at least you can see something, right? Okay, so there's the pink ones. Like, how pretty is that? I love these. And then, of course, these are just completely clear. So I love that because I love the Today dashboard that is super clear and all you have is the Today up here, and I love that I can see both pages regardless if it's sitting like this or if I turn the page and now this is getting covered, so I can still see that. So I love these. So I'm not sure which ones I'm going to use, but I did want to have the option of either using the pink ones or the clear ones, but I think I'm leaning more towards the clear ones. So I don't know, but I was super excited when they announced that they were having these restocked on their shop. How beautiful are these? And then, of course, I wanted to get the clear ones for my classic as well, but they didn't have them. So all that they had were these pink ones, and of course I just had to get them because I do want top tabs in my classic as well. So maybe I'll just go ahead and use these ones until I get the clear ones as well. So I'm not sure, but I love this color. It is so, so pretty. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at this other box, because that was the main reason why I even put an order on Juneteenth. So then after I placed that order, let's actually open it here. Okay, so this one has 2. And so after I had placed this first order, I don't know what happened. I just said, I need some sticky notes, some accessories. So I think that's what this is. And again, we have the freebies, and I'm pretty sure they're going to have the same thing. So let's just take a quick little look. So the same quotes, the same thank you for your purchase, and then this one. Okay, perfect. So let's look in this little one, and I believe these are going to be all of the stickers. Okay, so to do sticky notes, so I love these ones, and then I did get these ones as well. I just wanted sticky notes too. So I did get the ash dots, and I believe the dots are the only ones that come in a set of 5 because the drops don't. So these ones are the transparent ones, I believe. Okay, yeah. So these ones are transparent, and they're in that ash color like this one. But these ones look more of a bluish purple color, more of a purple color than these ones. And then I did get Legend. And this one, it looks like this one is transparent too, because you have a choice between transparent or paper. So I did want to have both styles to kind of compare them. So I love this color. It's very, very pretty. And then I did get the stone one. And these ones, it looks like they're the paper ones. You could even tell even with just the paper itself. So yeah, these ones are going to be paper. So I love this color. So pretty, right? Okay, so then let's look in here. Because I was technically only going to buy those dividers, but then I just had to place some of these sticky notes. They're just so beautiful. So we have the mocha, and I love this color. Look at that. Very, very pretty. And then in nude, these neutrals are so gorgeous. All right, so here's the other one. So a little bit different, but there's a comparison between those ones. And then let's take a look at this one. So Chia Lime Fresca. Ooh, that's really pretty. Very beautiful. I can't wait to add these to my planner. And now let's take a look at the very last one, which is espresso. So again, let's put it over here. So not that much see-through like the other ones, but very, very pretty. I love that. And then because I got the subscription box in a classic size, I wanted these ones in a classic size as well. So I have these ones in the half letter planner, but I did want to add these ones to my classic that I'm currently using as a social media planner. So I think that's going to be great, as well as there is luxury and simplicity. This is very, very beautiful. I love the way that it looks in my half letter planner. So of course I wanted it in my classic as well. So here it is, very beautiful. I love these. So I can't wait to add these to my classic, as well as these dividers. I think they're so pretty. This pink is just mesmerizing. I love that. And then all of these stickers and page flags and sticky notes. I am loving everything about this. Everything is just so, so pretty. So I cannot wait to start using all of this. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.